Now question number 11. State whether the following are true or false. So first one, the value of 10a is always less than 1. So this statement turns out to be false because we know that the value of, if we see 10 90 degree, that is equal to infinite. 1045 is 1, but after 45, that is 60 degree. 1060 degree is root 3, which is 1.732. So it is greater than 1. It is not always less than 1. So these two values signify that the value of 10a is not always less than 1. So this statement is false. Coming to the second one, sec a is 12 by 5 for some value of angle a. Now 12 by 5, if we check out the sec is reciprocal of cos, cos is base by hypotenuse, and sec will be hypotenuse by base. So with that thing, hypotenuse becomes 12 and base becomes 5. So we can see that 12k square equals to 5k square, and this value we can take as x plus x square. So if we see x square is equal to 12 square minus 5 square, that is 144k square minus 25k square. So this will be some value 119k square. So x will be 119k. So we can get the value of angle in decimals. So we can say yes, for some value of angle A, this is possible. Cos A, the third one, cos A is abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. So this is false because cos is abbreviation used for cosine. Cosecant is for cosec. Question number 4. Cot A is a product of cot and A. This is also false because cot A is represent cot of angle A. It's not a product. Then coming to the fifth one, sine theta 4 by 3 for some angle theta. So for that, we understand the value of sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now, if it is given that is 4 by 3, that means perpendicular is 4 and hypotenuse is 3. So this is not possible because hypotenuse is the longest side in a triangle and it cannot be smaller than the perpendicular. So this statement is false.